and LCM. HCF is equals to highest common factor and LCM is equals to lowest common multiple. What are factors mean? Factors are nothing which are multiplied by a number, and factors are divided into two parts: composite numbers and prime numbers. Prime numbers, a number that has only one factor. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and like that. And composite numbers, a number that has more than one factor. Example 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and like that. Multiples are the numbers that are divided to another certain number. Example 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. How to do LCM and HCF? So let's do LCM. First 5 and 10. What is the LCM of 5 and 10? We have to divide by prime numbers which are there here. So let's do it. 5 is a prime number, so we can divide with 5. 5 in 5 table we have 5 in 1. In 10 we have also 10 in 5 table. So here we will get 1 and 2, the quotient, and we have to divide with 2, and we have to multiply this both. The answer will be 10. Therefore, remaining LCM is equals to 10. Let's do second question. 6. What is the LCM of 6? 6 is divided by 2. So let's do with 2. 2 divided by 6 is equals to 3. And 3 is divided by 3. So the answer will be 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Therefore, remaining LCM is equals to 6. Now we will do with 3 digits: 7, 14 and 3. In 7 table we have 7, 14 but not 3. So we have to just repeat 3 again in next step. So let's do 2, 1, 2, 3. And here the 3 is remaining. We have to divide with 3. Then so we have to multiply 7, 2 and 3. So the answer is 42. Therefore, remaining LCM is equals to 42. Fourth question. 2, 4 and 16. These three numbers are divided by 2. So the answer will be 16. Therefore, remaining LCM is equals to 16. Let's go to the other one. How to do HCF? First question. 36 and 60. We have to divide 36 and 60. So in 36 table 60 is not there. So we have to do minus 60 minus 36. The remaining is 34. And 24 will come to the divisor. Okay. So the first divisor will come to the dividend. So 24, 36. 24 in 24 table 36 will not come, so we have to minus. The answer will be 12, and the same pattern we have to again do it. So 24 in 12 table we have 24 in 2, so 12 2s are 24, 24, 24, and here 0. So the HCF will become 12. Here we have this divisor. The last divisor will be the HCF. So let's do again one sum. 18 in 24 table 18 will not come. So here we have to minus 6 will become the divisor. In 6 table we have 18 in 3. 6 into 3 is equals to 18. So the HCF will become 6. The 6. So let's have fractions here. Fraction of 24. The shortcut of fraction is F. So the symbol of fraction is F. So the fraction of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 12, 24. Fraction of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Fraction of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. Fraction of 3 is 1, 3. So here we have a fractions are nothing which are divisible by these numbers. We should just put the numbers. So we have an easy way here. Fraction 72. 1 divided by 72 is equals to 72. Sorry. 1 into 72 is equals to 72. And 2 into 36 is equals to 72. 3 into 24 is equals to 72. And 4 into 18 is equals to 72. 6 into 12 is equals to 72. And 8 into 9 is equals to 72. 9 into 8 is equals to 72. So this is the shortcut. We can do like this also.